ఉందని అది కూడా
వస్తారు రెండిట్లో. ప్రసాద్ నాకు ఆడియో వస్తలేదు చూడు. మేడం వినబడుతుంది అలాగే నాకు వినబడుతుంది.
మీరు
జాయిన్ అయినా రమేష్ నువ్వు జాయిన్ అయ్యి నువ్వురా. నాకు వినబడతలేదు, నీకు వినబడుతుంది. Rishika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Good. Now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
కొంచెం తగ్గి. Rishika, now attendance part will be over up to 12:30.
Yes, sir. Till now, 10 members was added.
10 members are added. Okay.
Yeah.
Rishika, we will know how many people have.
Yes, sir, we can know, sir. But I need to download it from the website.
Okay, you will be knowing the number, how many people have entered?
Yes. Once our quorum is reached, I will start the meeting.
Okay, you will be knowing it. Okay.
Yes.
So till now, 10 people have.
Yeah, join the meeting.
Join the meeting. Okay. Ramesh, can you hear me?
Sir is on mute.
Sir is on mute. Huh? Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Now can you hear?
Yeah. I can hear you, Ramesh. అఖిల పుష్ప గారు వినపడుతుందండి? మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి.
Is also unmute.
అన్మ్యూట్ అంటే ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది? అఖిల పుష్ప గారు
మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని ఉంది.
అదే కానీ తనకి వినపడదు కదా. ఓకే అండి.
వినిపిస్తుందా సార్?
వినిపిస్తుందండి, వినిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఫైన్. వెంకటరెడ్డి, నువ్వు మాట్లాడాలన్నప్పుడు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి. వెంకటరెడ్డి,
Sir, radio.
is there? He can hear me? I don't
Yeah, he can hear you, sir, but whatever
he cannot speak, na? Okay.
Yes.
వెంకటరెడ్డి, వినపడుతుందా? నువ్వు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి. స్పీకర్ ఆఫ్ ఉన్నట్టుంది నీది.
Varun, if you have his phone, you dial him on his mobile.
Yeah, that is better, I think. సందీప్ గారు వచ్చిందా చూడు.
ఇప్పుడు వినపడుతుందా?
వినపడుతుంది. ఓకే, నైస్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. రిషిక, వేర్ ఆర్ అవర్ ఆడిటర్స్?
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి. వినపడుతుందా?
yes sir, వినపడుతుంది.
ఈ రోజు స్మార్ట్ ఉన్నారే.
యాక్చువల్లీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో అది పోయింది సార్ కెమెరా, దట్స్ అందుకనే ఆ రోజు నాకు చూసుకోవాలా.
ఓకే, నైస్.
ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్ నుంచే కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను సార్.
మరి మీరు ఏజిఎం లకి దర్శనం ఇస్తారా ఏంటని మన వీడియోలో ఎప్పుడు కనపడలేదు క్లారిటీ అని.
సార్.
ఓకే, నైస్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే అండి, మనకి మీటింగ్ వచ్చేసి 12:30కి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah, till such time attendance will be not.
Oh, okay sir. Can I tell me my attendance, sir?
No, not now. When she asks us to.
Sure. Okay sir.
Akila garu, Rishika will be asking you. అప్పుడు మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవాలండి అందరూ కూడా.
Fine sir. Okay sir.
చైర్మన్ గారి దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Yes sir.
I think we have to raise the hand and we should say our name and then.
ఓకే ఓకే
Okay.
Yes, sir. Exactly at 12:30 we will start the meeting, sir.
Yes, yes.
ఫైన్ మేడం ఫైన్.
Right now the participants are 13 people are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
రమేష్ కనబడుతుందా?
Yeah, you can see it. You come down a little bit, you'll see participants 13.
ఓ ఆల్రెడీ అదే అటెండెన్స్ 13 పడ్డది కదా.
Yes, sir.
సో ఇప్పుడు when we enter it will be automatically updated, Rashika?
Yes, sir. That will be updated directly.
వినోద్ ని
ఇప్పుడు లాగౌట్ కావాలా సార్?
12:30కి వస్తారా మరి?
అదే
ఓకే 12:30కి మనం స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామండి మీటింగ్.
రైట్
Okay అండి, thank you.
రైట్ అండి 12:25
Okay,
అలా
thank you.
వచ్చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే
రైట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అఖిల పుష్ప గారు 12:25కి రండి.
Okay అండి, okay.
రైట్ అండి.
Okay, sir.
రైట్. Rishika, this will be recorded from 12 o'clock onwards.
We recorded from 12:30 only, sir.
12:30 only will be recording. ఇప్పుడు ఏం
Yeah.
recording?
But the status is showing as recording
Oh, yeah.
because at the top you can see that it is recording.
ఓకే మా పైన కనబడుతుంది రికార్డింగ్ లైవ్ అని ఉందండి.
Yeah.
యా ఐ హావ్ సీన్ దట్.
So the participants as they are going out, it's showing us down.
It's down. Yes, sir.
So two people have gone.
ఓ
Sir,
చూపిస్తుంది.
this part,
The attendance is different from the participants.
participants. Yes, sir. That's what I'm checking because as per the attendance sheet there are 12 people have logged in.
Okay.
So it is only like panel members attendance is showing, like panel members.
Okay.
I will ask MD to join. Let me see. సూర్య ఒకసారి లాగిన్ గా టీ తాగినాక అయితే చూద్దాం నీది బాగుందా లేదా. అందరిది చెక్ చేసిన వెంకటరెడ్డి అందరిది అందరు చేసినాయి. వాళ్ళని 12:25కి రమ్మన్నా. నువ్వు కూడా వస్తే మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రదీప్ అది రమణ నెంబర్ ఉందా? లాగిన్ అండి అడుగు.
Varun is unmute and talk whatever you want to talk.
Hi, Rasika.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good morning. Yeah. Ramesh Reddy garu vachara?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning.
Our testing is done. So,
Yeah. ఇది జూమ్ కాల్ ఈజీ సార్. ఇప్పుడు మాకు 2:30కి వెబెక్స్ లో ఉంది. వెబెక్స్ కొంచెం టఫ్.
right.
జూమ్ ఇస్ ఈజీ అన్నిటికంటే.
Right. This live recording is going on, sir. So that's why we are muting it and keeping it.
ఎందుకు 12:30 నుండి కదా రసిక?
But it's showing as recording is going on.
Yes, sir.
Rasika?
Yes, sir. At the top, it was showing as recording.
No, check with that moderator. Why is
Yes,
it
sir.
record?
I'm trying. I'm talking to them.
రమేష్ మనకి 21 మంది చూపించట్లేదే ఎవరనేది.
It won't show. Now it is 22 people are there participants, but main panel, only panel list names are seen.
Oh, whoever is allowed only they will be viewed.
Yeah.
Otherwise they cannot be viewed.
Yeah.
Okay. అంటే this is controlled by sorry. వస్తుంది. ఏ ప్రసాద్. ఓకే, అంటే ఆయన మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టాడేమో. లేదు, నువ్వు వచ్చావా? No, I cannot see. How can you see? నాకు అనిపిస్తున్నాడు ఏజారెడ్డి, మరి నీకు ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది? ఇవాళ నాకు వచ్చిపోయాడు కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఉందా? ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఆయన మ్యూట్ ఉంది.
సారీ, ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు.
రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నారట, రికార్డ్ చేస్తుంటే అడిగాను.
ఓకే. ఏజారెడ్డి గారు గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. నమస్తే.
నమస్కారం.
So this recording is started by default. So that's the reason the video will be recording from the from 12 o'clock only.
You should now take out after that also.
Yes.
12:30 they should start.
Yes, sir.
So quorum is present now, Rasika?
Yes, sir. Quorum is present.
సాయిరాం ఒకసారి రామ్. వచ్చాయా? ఇది జిఎస్టీయా? కాదు, మెయిన్ జిఎస్టీ వాళ్ళ. ఒకసారి 26 years స్నేహ రాసుకోమా. హలో
Rasika, who is administrator? They should mute all the
జిఎస్టీ మేమంతా అడుగున్నాం సార్ రిటర్న్స్.
Sir, CIL.
మేమంతా
no, but just tell them, see, somebody is talking. May month
Yes.
GST, all that. I think everyone should go and mute automatically.
Yes, sir.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. లైన్ లో ఉంటాను చెప్పండి.
Hello. Ms. Rasika, I wouldn't be knowing who is speaking it will be difficult to identify among people. So it is a request to the members to mute themselves before speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
if they are speaking other than this meeting,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Rasika, you request everyone to mute. You request everyone.
So, Mr. Somu, I request you to please mute it.
Rajkumar.
Somu, can you hear me? Somu.
25 place తీసుకున్నాం. ఎవరమ్మా?
Sir, I think we need to call in.
Yeah. I think I will call Rishika. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
దాంట్లో ట్యూబ్ ఉండే అది ఆ రెండిట్లో బుక్ లోకి ఇక్కడికి మ్యాచ్ అయ్యింది.
I request Mr. Nagamala Srichna also please mute yourself.
Rishika,
Yes, sir.
yes, MD's login is not showing his picture. I think he is not kept in the panel.
No, sir. He is kept in the panel, but whether his video is off.
No, he is able to see only Mr. AGR Reddy, it seems. I don't know why.
Okay. Sir, he logged into the link which was sent to a mail ID only, no, sir?
I'll tell him to log out and again log in. Huh?
Yes, sir. You just need to click on the link. That's it, sir. He will directly join in the meeting.
Rishika, MD sir can see the AGR at this photo. How can we cannot see him? I don't know.
Sir, he is logged in from mobile or laptop.
Laptop or laptop? Mobile. So, if it is mobile, he won't show or?
No, sir. And like in the mobile, there is a small screen, no? So sometimes it will show only one or
Oh, okay.
two. That's the reason.
I think it's 12:30.
12:30. Yes, sir. And the quorum is also present, sir?
1 second, Rishika, I will tell you. 1 second.
Yeah,
Once
sure.
MD logs in, we will do.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Sanit.
Good morning.
You can able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay. You be online and mute yourself.
Yeah, okay.
When the Rishika calls you, you have to identify yourself. Suri, వచ్చావా? But how we cannot able to see you? That is, అవునా? Yeah, why we are unable to see the MD? Hey, Rishika, MD can see of all of us, but we are unable to see him. What is the problem? I don't know.
Checking, sir. One minute.
He can see us. He can see you all,
Okay.
but we are unable to see him.
Sir, I think he has joined as an attendee, not a panelist, because attendance is showing.
Okay.
So we can count him as a to join through a Zoom link which was shared over the mail. Sir.
Miss Rasika, I am promoting him as a panelist.
Okay.
Okay,
Please do that. ఇది అటెండింగ్ అయ్యాడు అంటాడు ఏంటి మేడం?
हाँ बोल दो.
Sir, he joined the meeting.
Surinder, can you see him? Can you hear me, Surinder? Yeah, now he has come. Yeah. His video is off. Huh?
Surinder Reddy, I think he joined, sir, but his video is not there.
Sir, AJ Reddy, shall we go ahead? Shall we start?
Sir, even Miss Akhila Pushpa also has joined as an attendee.
Oh, previously we were able to see.
Previously, yeah. Now in the list of attendee, I can see her name, sir.
Kandara Reddy.
Can you tell our CL people to?
CL Securities, I request to promote Akhila Pushpa also as a panelist.
Done. Thank
Yes.
Okay. Akhila Pushpa garu మీరు చూడగలరా మమ్మల్ని? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. She can hear, but she's on mute.
Okay. Yeah, now she has come. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Rishika, we can start.
Sir, can you see me, sir?
Yeah, chairman. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see you, Andy. We can see you.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you mute, ma'am?
Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to one and all. I, Rasika Jawar, Company Secretary of Vamshi Rubber Limited, welcome you all to the 26th Annual General Meeting of the company. Considering the COVID-19 pandemic, I hope everyone is safe and attending the meeting from their respective places. Now, I recognize the presence of the Chairman, Mr. Ramesh Reddy.
Yeah, present.
Yes, sir. I further recognize the presence of the following panelists. Mr. Varun Kumar, the whole-time director of the company. Mr. Surinder Reddy, Managing Director and CEO of the company. Mr. Vamshidhar Reddy, Independent Director of the company. Mr. Venkat Reddy Arola, Chairman of Audit Committee and Stakeholders Relationship Committee. Mr. Sandeep Kumar, Chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee.
Yeah, I'm present.
Ms. Akhila Pushpa Sundari, Independent Director.
Is present, madam.
I also recognize the presence of the statutory auditor, CSVR and Associates. And
Present, madam.
Secretary Auditor, Mr. Nagamalla Sricharan. Scrutinizer for the e-voting, Mr. NVSS Suryanarayana. I also recognize the presence of Dr. AJR Reddy, Management Consultant of the company, and Mr. B. Vinod Reddy, Finance Manager of the company. In the massive outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic and the social distancing norm which is to be followed, and pursuant to the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the SEBI, venue members attendance of the members of to the AGM venue is not required, and hence the 26th annual general meeting of the company is convened through video conferencing and other audio visual means. As the requisite quorum is present to conduct the meeting, hence with the permission of chair, I request the chairman to call the meeting to be open. Oh, sir, you are on mute.
Yeah, the meeting is in order.
Okay, sir. Now, further notice convening the 26th annual general meeting of the companies along with the director's report and auditor's report was sent to all the shareholders and has been with you for quite some time. And with the quiet permission of all the shareholders, the same be taken as record. In compliance with the provision of Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013, read with the Rule 20 of Companies Management and Administration Rules and Regulation 44 of the SEBI LODR regulations and the circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI, the company has provided the facility of remote e-voting to its members in the respect of all the resolutions that set to be transacted at the AGM. The facility of casting the vote by the members using remote e-voting and as well as the venue voting at the date of AGM has been given to all the shareholders. So I request all the shareholders to cast their vote at the venue e-voting in case if they have not casted their vote earlier. Further, I also recognize that Mr. NVS Suryanarayana, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the e-voting at the venue in a fair and transparent manner. Hence, I further request the shareholders to cast their vote by way of venue e-voting facility provided by the CDSL. Now, I request the chairman to present his speech to the members. The proceeding will be handed over to the chairman.
Yeah, good morning to all. Dear shareholders, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to this 26th annual general body meeting of your company. I trust you and your family are keeping well in the midst of this unprecedented pandemic COVID-19. I would have very much liked to meet you and address in person, but due to the prevailing unprecedented circumstances and social distancing norm, which made us meet on virtual platform. I would like to thank you for sparing time to join us today from wherever you are and for your continued faith in the company management. Before I begin to express I would like to express my deep condolence with the sad and sudden demise of Mr. Venkateshwara Sharma Kuchibutla, the whole-time director of the company, and also Mr. K. Srinivas Rao, general manager of our company. I would like to place on record an appreciation for their invaluable contributions and achievements towards the growth of the company. May their soul rest in peace. At the outset, I would like to touch upon the economic environment in which the company delivered its performance during the year 2019-20. At present in India, the tire retailing industry is highly fragmented with over 80% of the market share lying with the unorganized sector. The retail market is expected to exceed more than $13 billion by 2024 at a growth rate of 4.5%. In the forecast period, owing to the various factors such as strong regulation growth and improved road conditions. Our marketing network has also spread outside India like Europe, Africa and United States of America. However, due to unexpected pandemic which has affected our manufacturing plants from time to time and has affected our production momentum, the government has imposed curbs on imports on certain new tires in a move to promote domestic manufacturing, which will benefit the entire value chain as the domestic tire production will get a flip. Coming to the financial and business performance, the financial performance of your company during the year under review, the gross revenue of the company decreased to 55.72 crores as compared to 83.5 crores in the previous year. And the main reason was the losing out from a tender with the Karnataka State Road Transport and an unexpected pandemic in the fourth quarter. The expenses of the company have also decreased to 56.09 crore as compared to 83.49 crores in the previous year. As the company expenses have decreased in line with the revenue of the company, was able to earn the profit of 51.18 lakhs when compared to the previous year profit of 42.25 lakhs. During the first quarter of this financial year, the company has incurred a huge loss due to the lockdown and also damage of materials lying in transit as well as in the plant during the lockdown period. I hope the abiding trust and support on the management of your company will be able to continuously improve our performance and work towards the growth and expansion of your company. Before I conclude, I take the opportunity to thank my fellow directors on the board and the members and the managing committee for their wisdom and support. I wish to place on record my sincere thanks to the company's valued business, stakeholders and shareholders, vendors, customers, strategic alliance partners and business associates for their exceptional support during the difficult times in accomplishing the business plans. Most importantly, I acknowledge the critical role played by the employees whose contribution to your company's business growth has been paramount. On behalf of the board, I look forward to the continuing support of our shareholders who have reposed their faith in the board and in the management. The confidence of you, the shareholders, has been a considerable source of strength for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable words towards the financial performance of the company and the and the impact of COVID-19. Now, moving with the next point. Further, we have requested the members to seek any clarifications on the annual report by writing to the company at least 10 days prior to the AGM, so that the required quality information can be made available to them. However, the company has not received any clarifications for the same. And as per the facility provided by the CDSL for the speaker shareholder at the video conferencing, the company has received the request from the 3 shareholders to be the speaker shareholder at the annual general meeting of the company, and the company has confirmed the same. So I request the speaker shareholder, Mr. Praful Chadwa, to please present his questions before the board.
Mr. Praful, please unmute yourself and speak.
Hello. Oh, you. Hello.
Mr. Praful, you are audible. Please speak.
सर
चौड़ा जी कैसे है?
हमें सर कुछ कंफ्यूजन आ रहा है इधर।
नहीं नहीं, हम तो सुनाई आ रहा है हमारे को तो।
आप सुन रहे हैं ना?
या मैं सुन रहा हूँ।
आप सुन रहे तो शुरू करता हूँ बोलने का।
आपका फोटो नहीं दिख रहा बस।
आप हंसते हो दिख रहे मेरे को।
चलो आप बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं।
साथी शेयरहोल्डर्स, फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा मीटिंग करने का मौका मिल रहा है कि कुछ बटन कुछ दब जाता है तो चले जाता है, आता है, और हर एक जगह पे मीटिंग लेट चालू होता है। तो सर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर के काम अच्छा हो रहा है और कंपनी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हार्ड वर्क करते हैं। जो भी आज कोरोना के हिसाब से 671 से कंपनी हर एक इंडिया में नहीं वर्ल्ड में हर एक कंपनी को प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, हर एक आदमी को प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है और एम्प्लॉयज का भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। तो अपने एम्प्लॉयज के लिए क्या करने को जा रहे हैं आप? एम्प्लॉयज की सेफ्टी के लिए अभी तक क्या काम करें उसके बारे में बताएंगे। और नेक्स्ट आने वाले दिनों में अपना बिजनेस कैसा रहेगा उसके बारे में भी बताएंगे। और एजीआर सर का फोटो नहीं दिख रहा है, जरा मुंह बता दिए तो बेस्ट अच्छा दिखेगा सर।
AGR Reddy sir, where are you?
हाँ
Sir, I think he was disconnected.
Okay, okay.
I will just call him, sir, to join the meeting again.
Ji Praful Chawda ji, all the health measures, whatever imposed by the central government, state government, we are following all the things. वो पूरा हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, फैक्ट्री में भी और हेड ऑफिस में भी। जो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है, जो सैनिटाइजेशन है, जो मास्क है, जो पूरा जो अपन जो डी वो कर रहे हैं ना, पूरा आजकल क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो पूरा करा रहे हैं, सैनिटाइजेशन सब करके।
Thermal screening.
Yeah. So we are taking all care, Praful, at the factory and here. Still, in spite of that, we are very sorry to say that we have lost our general manager and our director of operations in this pandemic situation, which is a big loss for our company. So हम उसके बारे में बहुत चिंतित है। So we are taking every measure at factory, Mr. Chawda.
ओके सर।
वो टेस्टिंग भी चल रहा है, सबका टेस्टिंग, वी आर टेस्टिंग बिफोर एंटरिंग दी। पूरा फैक्ट्री में जो एंटर होता है पूरा टेस्टिंग करके उसको अंदर ले रहे हैं हम। सो वी आर टेकिंग ऑल प्रिकॉशंस टू द पॉसिबल एक्सटेंट रिकमेंडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। थैंक यू चावड़ा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट Rishika, you can go ahead. Rishika, I can't hear you.
Sorry, sir. I request Mr. Ramesh Manguluri, who has requested for the speaker shareholder to at the AGM. So I request him to please present his queries before the board.
Ms. Rasika, it seems that he has not joined the meeting.
Okay, sir.
His name is not appearing in the attendees list.
Attendees list.
Yeah. Raladandi Rashika, he has not attended.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is one more speaker shareholder, Mr. Bharat Kanakala.
I am allowing him to speak.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Chairman. Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. I'm audible, Chairman.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, Chairman. First of all, entire board of directors, Chairman, I'm happy to see you all happy, safe, and healthy. I am also happy, safe, and healthy. I am Bharat Raj, calling from Hyderabad. Chairman, first of all, you are given a wonderful speech about our company. In your chairman speech, you have given every detailed and everything very clearly, sir. I'm sorry for our director and general manager for that sudden demise. Nobody can share their pain, sir, but only God will help them, sir. I wish that you be safe and fine and healthy, because you are the strong pillar of a company, sir. You are the banyan tree. Under your tree, we are all taking the shelter. We are very much happy under leadership, sir. Regarding the dividend part also, please look into this matter, sir. Consider to pay more dividends. And I wish all the best to the entire board of directors and team. And I thank the Secretarial Department for arranging a very good virtual video conference. Thank you very much, sir. All the best for the coming years.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bharat Raj.
Thank you, sir. Sir, as all the speaker shareholders have presented their queries and all the points has been clarified by the board. So moving to the next point, I once again request the members to complete the voting by way of venue e-voting facility provided by the CDSL. The e-voting results of the meeting will be declared by the chairman upon the receipt of report from the scrutinizer and will be placed on the website of the company as well as on the website of the stock exchange. As there is no further agenda point to be discussed, I request Mr. Varun Kumar, director to conclude the meeting with a vote of thanks.
On behalf of the board of directors and the entire workforce of our company, I would like to thank you, our shareholders, company secretary, auditors, and my colleagues on board for your enduring support and patronage. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you.
Rishika, there are some chats coming in. I think we'll reply them separately to their mails. Please note that the chats, whoever they are sending it, so that we can reply them by mail or some other means.
Rishika, you please unmute.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. So I request the CIL Securities to please take note of the chats which were received. So we
Yeah.
can reply to their email.
Yeah. They can send us. Yeah.
Done.
Sir, Asia Reddy garu, shall we conclude? Sir, వెళ్ళిపోయారా?
I think sir is left.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rishika.
Okay, sir. I thank you all the shareholders and board of directors for successfully conduct the meeting. I declare the meeting to be closed.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.